Hello and welcome once again. In this lecture, we will recap the key concepts covered in Domain 7 of the CISSP certification, Security Operations. This domain focuses on the practical aspects of managing and securing an organization's day-to-day operations. Security operations involve the implementation of policies, procedures, and technologies to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of organizational assets. It encompasses a wide range of topics, including incident response, monitoring, vulnerability management, disaster recovery, and business continuity. Let's reflect on these important concepts and ensure a comprehensive understanding of the strategies and tools needed to manage an organization's security operations effectively. We began our journey through Domain 7 with an overview of the importance of security operations. Security operations is the backbone of an organization's cybersecurity framework, providing the tools, processes, and personnel required to protect systems and data from threats. Effective security operations enable an organization to detect potential risks, respond to incidents, and recover from attacks quickly, ensuring that business functions remain intact. A strong security operations program provides the foundation for operational resilience, ensuring that the organization can continue to function even in the face of disruptions or attacks. A key element of security operations is incident response, which involves the process of detecting, managing, and recovering from security incidents. Incident response is crucial for minimizing the impact of security breaches and ensuring that an organization can recover its systems and services in a timely manner. We discussed the phases of incident response, including preparation, detection, containment, eradication, recovery, and post-incident analysis. Preparation is essential for ensuring that the organization has a well-defined incident response plan and that personnel are trained to handle incidents. Detection involves identifying potential security breaches through monitoring systems, while containment focuses on isolating affected systems to prevent further damage. Eradication involves removing the root cause of the incident, and recovery ensures that systems are restored to normal functioning. Finally, post-incident analysis helps identify lessons learned, refine security measures, and improve response capabilities. Next, we delved into the concept of continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring is a proactive security measure that involves the real-time tracking of network traffic, system logs, and user activity to detect potential threats. We explored the importance of security information and event management (SIEM) systems, which aggregate and analyze log data from multiple sources to identify security events and generate alerts. By continuously monitoring systems and networks, organizations can detect anomalies, respond to incidents promptly, and reduce the window of opportunity for attackers. Additionally, we discussed the significance of vulnerability management and patch management, which ensure that systems are continuously evaluated for vulnerabilities and that timely patches are applied to reduce the risk of exploitation. We also covered disaster recovery, DR, and business continuity, BC, operations, two critical components of security operations that help ensure that an organization can continue to function in the face of disruptions. Disaster recovery focuses on the restoration of IT systems, data, and infrastructure after a disaster, while business continuity encompasses the broader scope of maintaining essential business functions during and after a disruption. We discussed the importance of developing comprehensive disaster recovery and business continuity plans, including backup strategies, recovery objectives, RTO and RPO, and testing procedures. Regular testing of these plans ensures that organizations are prepared to recover quickly and effectively in the event of a disaster. Another important topic within security operations is the management of security policies and procedures. Security policies provide the foundational framework for protecting organizational assets and guiding security operations. Policies should be well-defined, comprehensive, and aligned with the organization's objective. We explored the process of developing security policies, ensuring that they address critical areas such as access control, incident response, encryption, and data protection. Additionally, we discussed the role of security procedures, which provide detailed instructions for implementing security policies and responding to specific situations. The domain also covers the importance of managing security risks across the organization. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could impact the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of organizational resources. We discussed various risk management strategies, including risk avoidance, mitigation, transfer, and acceptance, and how these strategies are applied in real-world scenarios. We also highlighted the importance of conducting regular risk assessments to identify new and emerging threats and ensure that the organization's security posture remains strong. A crucial aspect of security operations is vulnerability management, which includes identifying, prioritizing, and addressing vulnerabilities in systems, applications, and networks. We discussed the various tools and techniques used in vulnerability management, including vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and risk assessments. These activities help organizations identify weaknesses before they can be exploited by attackers. Additionally, we emphasized the importance of patch management as part of vulnerability management. Patch management involves applying security patches and updates to fix vulnerabilities and ensure that systems remain secure. Finally, we explored the importance of managing security resources effectively. This includes managing both human resources and technological resources to ensure that the organization has the necessary expertise and tools to protect its assets. Security operations teams must be staffed with skilled professionals who can monitor systems, respond to incidents, and implement security measures. Additionally, organizations must invest in the appropriate security technologies, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems, to protect their infrastructure from cyber threats. To summarize, Domain 7, Security Operations, provides a comprehensive approach to managing an organization's day-to-day security needs. From incident response and continuous monitoring to disaster recovery and business continuity, security operations cover the processes and practices necessary to protect an organization's systems, data, and resources. By implementing effective security operations, organizations can detect threats early, respond to incidents quickly, and ensure that critical business functions continue even in the face of disruption. Regular testing, risk assessments, and updates to security policies and procedures help ensure that security operations remain effective and resilient in the face of evolving cyber threats. As we have discussed, security operations are not just about reacting to incidents, but also about proactively managing risk, monitoring systems, and ensuring business continuity. By understanding and implementing these practices, organizations can strengthen their security posture and ensure the long-term protection of their valuable assets.